Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about bowl, 5 gallons, for Cecilware part number 1288. The bowl, 5 gallons, for Grindmaster part number 1288 is a replacement part for the Grindmaster 875S coffee grinder. It is a 5-gallon stainless steel bowl that fits into the grinder and holds the coffee beans during grinding. The bowl is designed to be easy to clean and maintain, and it has a handle for easy removal from the grinder. The bowl also features an anti-static coating to reduce static electricity buildup during grinding. This replacement part is essential for keeping your coffee grinder running smoothly and efficiently. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Grindmaster 1288 bowl is designed to replace the existing bowl on the Grindmaster 875S or 810S coffee grinder. It is used to catch the ground coffee and help keep the grinder clean. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by unboxing the Grindmaster 1288 bowl and all of its components. 2. Place the bowl on a flat, level surface and make sure it is stable. 3. Place the rubber gasket around the base of the bowl, making sure it is centered and secure. 4. Secure the bowl to the base using the provided screws and washers, making sure they are tight but not over-tightened. 5. Place the grinding burrs into their respective slots in the bowl, making sure they are secure and properly aligned with each other. 6. Attach the power cord to the back of the unit and plug. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.